this time.
From 11 p.m.
You
Sunday to
still
6
go
p.m.
off.
Monday. What?
The 12262 went off. Let's go.
Likely in vulnerable areas near the waterfront and shoreline.
The 12262 went off. Oh my god.
Locally, 3 feet of inundation is possible.
The
Up
12262
to 1
went
foot
off.
inundation above ground level is possible with the Sunday
Oh
night high
my
tide.
god. Another one.
Northeast Suffolk and southeast Suffolk counties. When? From 11 p.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Monday. Minor flooding possible with the Sunday night high tide. Widespread moderate flooding likely. Locally, major flooding possible with the Monday afternoon high tide. Coastal flood impacts. Widespread flooding of
another
51
one!
inundation of vulnerable areas is expected near the waterfront and shoreline, including roads.
Thank you for going off, 12262.
And homes and businesses with basements near the waterfront.
Yo,
Numerous road
another
closures are likely,
one.
and vehicles parked in vulnerable areas near the waterfront will likely become flooded. Flooding will also extend inland from the waterfront along tidal riverside edges. South-facing shorelines of the North Fork and areas around the entrance to Pecan
Why did
River
you
will
not
be
go
the
off?
most susceptible.
W120.
Shoreline impacts. Large breaking waves along the ocean beach front of 12 to 16 feet will result in widespread beach flooding and erosion Monday morning into afternoon. Scattered overwashes are likely where dune structures are compromised, causing flooding of roadways and vulnerable structures behind them. For Orient Point, 4 to 8 feet breaking waves during the time of high tide Monday afternoon will likely result in beach erosion,
12262
damage
went
to
off.
shorefront
Yay.
structures and flooding of shorefront roadways.
Oh my god.
Nature really said.
Dude.
I think Mother
High
Nature
wind watch in
really
effect
said.
from late Sunday night through Monday morning. What? Southeast winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour.
Bro, no